Hi, I'm Andrew,
Hi, I'm Katarina.
and we've just finished doing a renovation of the summit.
So having two growing boys, we really needed some more space. We do love the area that we live in, so we weren't really interested in moving somewhere else, and then we found out that Summit can do modules. So we had some friends that built a second story with Summit, and we really loved that concept, that it was built off-site. We didn't have to move out. We could go to the warehouse and have a look at the progress, and it was super quick.
So the site supervisor from Summit was great. He made everything run so smoothly for us and kept the disruptions to the minimum. You know, we were able to carry on with our life as normal.
So what I was really impressed with was that Summit was really accommodating, and there was a few last minute changes I wanted to do to the stairs to make it look the way that we visualised it, and they made it happen very easily.
We've renovated a few times with other builders, and compared to them, Summit have been day and night. This has been a really, really good experience for us.